Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to download Forza Horizon 5 on your laptop. The first thing, if you don't already have Steam, just go to steampower.com and click Install Steam on your laptop. Download and install it as usual. Inside the Steam app, go to the Store tab. In the search bar, type Forza Horizon 5. Then click on the game from the list of results. On the Forza Horizon 5 store page, click Add to Cart. Then click Purchase for myself and complete the payment process using your preferred method, like credit or debit card, PayPal, Steam Wallet, etc. Just note that if there is a free trial or demo available, you'll see an install button instead of purchase button. After purchase, click Library in the top menu. Find Forza Horizon 5 in your list of games, then click on it and press Install button. Choose your install location, then click Next. Steam will now begin downloading the game files depending on your internet speed and available space. Now, once the download is complete, the install button will change to Play. Click Play to launch Forza Horizon 5 and start playing on your laptop. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.